Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the sound. Make sure your MIDI clip and virtual instrument are exactly how you want them because rendering captures the current tone. Once done, create an audio track and route its input to the MIDI track's output or the instrument's output. Then arm the audio track for recording and set monitoring to auto so you hear playback. These steps let Ableton record the live output rather than printing MIDI, which is essential to get consistent audio captures. Now record the MIDI as audio. If you're in Arrangement View, position the playhead and punch in with Arrangement Record. In Session View, trigger the clip and use Session Record to capture into the armed audio track. Make sure the loop brace or clip length matches what you want recorded. Also watch levels as you record. Lowering the instrument or master prevents clipping. Recording in this way prints processing, automation, and instrument nuance into audio for reliable playback. Finish by trimming and consolidating the recorded region, then export or bounce with your chosen sample rate and bit depth. If you want a quicker option, freeze and flatten the instrument track to convert MIDI to audio instantly. If you encounter silence, verify the audio track input routing and that it was armed. If you get distortion, reduce levels or increase buffer size. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio sounds different, bypass plugins one by one to find processing that change the tone before finalizing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.